Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fun and easy guide on how to add your college on Roblox. It's a fantastic way to show off your school spirit and connect with fellow students in the game. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in, locate the More button at the bottom right corner of your screen and give it a tap. Next, you'll want to access your profile, so go ahead and tap Profile. Now it's time to edit your profile. Simply tap on the Edit Profile option. You'll see an About section. Here, tap the pencil icon to make some changes. This is where the magic happens. Enter your college name so everyone knows where you're repping. Finally, once you've added your college, don't forget to tap Save at the top right corner of the screen to keep those changes. And that's it. You're all set to showcase your college on Roblox. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips.